iPhone 12 Pro Max has an L-shaped 3687 mAh battery, reveals Teardown. When Apple launched the iPhone 12 series earlier last month, the company, in typical fashion, skimmed on the key technical specifications of the phones. It didn't reveal the exact battery capacities of any of the 4 new iPhones. Well, thanks to a new Teardown video, we have learned the exact battery capacity and shape of the battery used in the iPhone 12 Pro Max. According to the Teardown video shared on Chinese microblogging service, Weibo, the iPhone 12 Pro Max has a modest 3687 mAh battery. This is slightly lower than the 3969 mAh battery pack present in its predecessor, iPhone 11 Pro Max. The move is surprising since the iPhone 12 Pro Max demands more power due to 5G. This is not the first time we're hearing about the battery capacity of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Last month, a TENAA listing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max had hinted at the presence of a 3687 mAh battery. The new development essentially corroborates and confirms the previous report. In addition to the battery capacity of Apple's flagship phone, the Teardown also reveals that the size of the logic board is the same as the one found in iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. The battery, as you can see below, is an L-shaped unit. iPhone 12 Pro Max was up for pre-orders from the 6th of November and goes on sale today, the 13th of November. It comes in 3 storage variants: 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB. The base 128GB model costs 1 rupee, 29,900, while the 256GB variant is priced at 1 rupee, 39,900. The top-end 512GB model will cost a whopping 1 rupee, 59,900 and can be picked up via Apple's online store, which is now live in India.